morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. King.
Okay, so I see a lot of things on each other's desks. Let's remember, put your backpacks away right now. Nothing should be drawn out. We should not be drawing, talking. Everything should be quiet on our desk, empty. Okay, thank you. Beautiful. So today, class, we are going to learn about math, okay? We're going to learn about math and something really exciting about math that we have not learned yet, but we learned a little bit about something last week, okay? So let's look. Let's see what we're going to learn about. Okay. So the standards of this, these are the standards, something we're going to learn about when it comes to math and area. So this is our objective today. Can someone read our objective today? Nicole, can you read our objective?
I can measure the area of polygons by counting the unit squares on a grid.
Yes, thank you. So we will be learning about areas and counting the boxes or counting something inside the unit square, and that will teach us the area, okay? So now let's look at the square here. What is something you notice about this picture? What do you notice about this picture? Nicole, yes.
It looks like a. Have you seen the movie with the magician? It looks like the one with his hat.
The one with his hat. Okay. Well, let's look more. What else can what?
It's gray.
It's gray. Yes, it is gray. What about what's inside that shape? What's funny there? We have all these lines. Okay, we have lines. Yeah. And what are the lines making? What shape are they?
Squares.
Making? They're making squares. Yes, good. They're making squares. So, how could we find the area of this shape? How do you think we could find the area of this shape? Yes, Nicole.
Well, we would measure. Well, if it said the number that around, we would measure it and add it all up, and that would be the area.
So that is actually what we learned last week, and that's called the perimeter of a shape. So we're talking about an area today, and the area of the shape talks about what is inside the shape. So when we want to know what's inside the shape, what do you think we want to see? What can we see what's inside the shape here? Remember, you said boxes. Yes, we see the boxes.
Squares?
And they make squares. Yes. How many squares are here? Can you think? Let's see. Let's try. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Yes. So,
the area is 10.
Yes. So that means the area is 10 because we're talking about what is inside this shape here. So how do you know? How do we know that the area is 10? What did we do just now? How do we know? Susie, what about you, Susie? How do we know?
We added it all up.
We added it. What did we add up?
The boxes.
The boxes, yes. We added up all the boxes, so we counted them.
Yeah.
So we counted the boxes, and that gave us 10. Good job. Thank you, Susie. So we have our vocabulary words, okay? So I'm going to talk, and you're going to say it after me. Area, the space inside a shape, okay? Say it. Area, the space inside a shape. Now, for this one, it's a very big one. I want you guys to take out your whiteboards and markers so we can write this one down. Area on a grid, the total number of squares inside the shape. Say it with me. Area on a grid. The total number of squares inside the shape. Good. So we should remember that. We should love it. Write it down. We have to remember that about today. And next we have polygon. A flat shape with 3 or more straight sides. Let's say it.
Polygon. A flat shape with 3 or more straight sides.
So guys, did we complete the area on the grid? Did we write that down? Do I see thumbs up?
I'm still working.
Okay, don't worry. Let's work on it because that's something that's really important, guys. We want to have that down. So once you're done, I want to see a thumbs up in the air to let me know. Thank you, Jacob. Everyone thumbs up once you're done and we'll move on. Thank you, Adam. Okay, good job, Jerry. Good job. Good, yeah, thank you. Now let's move along. So, we have learned about area. And remember, the area is the space inside a shape. So, if we look at this shape, this is a rectangle, yellow rectangle. What is the area? Let's try to figure out the area, okay? Remember, what do we have to do when we find area? We have to
count.
Count, yeah. So let's count these squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area is 6. Okay, we have 6 units. So after we write the total number, which is 6 for this rectangle, down here, always label square unit after the total number. So class, say it with me. Always label square units after the number.
The number, yeah. Okay, good. So, Amy, what are we supposed to label after the number? Yes, we label with square units. Good job. Thank you. So guys, let's move on. We have a shape. We have a beautiful shape right here. We're going to find this out. Okay, we're all going to work together as a class right now. And we're going to find out what is the area of this shape. And how do we find areas, guys? What do we do? What do we count? Yeah, the total number of squares in the space, in the shape. So let's count. If we want to find the area of this square, this is 1.
1.
This is 2.
2.
This is 3.
3.
This is 4.
4.
Okay, class, what is this?
5.
Yes, what's this one?
6.
Okay. 7. And 8. Okay, and
9. 10. 11.
One more.
12.
12.
This is easy.
12. It's easy. Okay, class, are we done? Did we figure it out?
No.
Why not? What's missing? Can someone answer? Okay, what about you, Jackie? What's missing?
You have to write the number on the line.
Yeah, okay. We write the number, we write 12. Are we done? Are we missing something? Is something supposed to go after?
No.
No. So what do we put after the total, after finding the number?
It's already there.
Yes, it is already here. But remember, I want you guys to remember, we always put square units after, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, we're going to find another polygon here. Let's look at this polygon. It's a very odd shape. It's not like a square up here. So you guys are going to find it with me. I'm going to help, but you guys are going to do majority of the work, okay? So let's count our squares here. What's this?
1.
1. Ooh. 1.
2, 3,
3,
4,
4.
5,
Okay, 5. You guys are
6,
mathematicians. Look at
7,
that.
8, 9,
Slow
10,
it down. 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13,
14.
So what is it? What is it? What's the area?
14.
14 what?
The area.
Oh, what do we say after finding the total number? Susie, what do we say?
Square units.
Square units. So 14 square units, and we found our area. Good. Let's look at this last shape.
This is easy.
It's easy. It can be hard, but we gotta let everyone else. You can help out other people. Okay. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5,
4. Slow down. 5,
6.
6. So what is that one?
6 square units.
Good. We are 6 square units. Thank you. So you got thumbs up. Everyone understand this class? If you understand, thumbs up. Let me see your thumbs. Good. Thank you. Now, right now, I want everyone to take out their workbook right now, and I want you guys to turn to page 242. Turn to 242, okay? I'm going to give you guys 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
2 minutes for all of this?
No, to take it out.
Oh.
Everyone's going to take it out right now. Okay. Class.
Yes.
So right now, look, everyone, eyes on me. We have 10 minutes. And we're going to finish at least 1 through 15 on our work problem, okay? If you cannot finish, that is fine. You do not need to finish. We're just going to work on this. Everyone's going to get 10 minutes. I'm going to just relax and walk around. If you guys need help, I'm here to help you, okay? So everyone take 10 minutes, work in partners or alone. Let's help each other out. Yes, Jackie.
Can you help me?
Absolutely. Yes, I can. So what's the problem? What problem do you need help with?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay, so that's a funny shape. It's a funny shape, right? So what did we find? What did we learn about area? What is the area?
I don't know.
The space.
Space inside the shape.
Yeah, the space inside the shape. So we look at these, we want to count. What do we want to count when we see the space? What are those? What are you counting?
Oh, I got it. 11.
You got it? 11. Are you done? What goes after the number? Remember? Yeah, look on
Square
the book.
units.
Square units. So after the number, we always put square units, okay?
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, okay. Keep working. Everyone else, we have 3 more minutes. Then we're going to clean up. Okay, 3 more minutes. Yes?
Can you help me with this one?
Yes, I can help you with this one. Okay, so remember, we worked on number 6. So number 14. How do we get to number 6? What do we count?
The space inside.
The space inside.
8.
8.
But this one looks bigger than this one. How come that one's smaller?
it looks bigger because the shape is different.
Oh.
But it still is the different area and it's smaller.
8.
What do we put after the total number?
Square units.
Square units. Always don't forget that one. Okay, Jackie?
Okay.
Good job. Okay, class.
Yes.
Okay, we're done with the assignment. Everyone, I'm going to come around, going to collect paper. Thank everyone. So right now, I want you guys to put away everything that is on your desk so we can get ready for the next assignment, okay? Put away everything. We're going to take out our pencil. We're going to take out graph paper. We're going to use our chart and our colored pencils, okay? So right now, can I have Susie and Jacob? Can you guys please come up and pass out paper? So Susie, I want everyone to get a graph paper. And Jacob, one person get a chart, okay? One person get a chart. Thank you guys. So there should be nothing on your table but pencil, the graph paper that's coming around, and the chart that's coming around, and colored pencil. And we're using colored pencils once we're done. So if you're working really fast and you're done with the assignment and we have extra time, we can color it, okay? But everyone needs to take their time with this assignment. So now, for this assignment, we're going to do our assessment. Today, we will find the area of our name on a grid, okay? First, everyone hold up the number 1. Hold up. I want to see everyone hold up the number 1. First, create your name using graph paper. Okay, so this is graph paper, and we're going to be writing our name. 2, solve the area of each letter. So say it. 2.
Solve the area of each letter.
And 3. And the total of your name. 3.
The total of your name.
Good. So I'm going to tell you guys what I mean by that. So we have this chart right here. You have the chart? Raise your hand. We all should have this chart. We all passed it around. Good. So we have here letter and name. That's on your chart. We have area of letter. And we have total of area of your name. Okay? So the letter and name, we have all the letters in your first name should go here. So all the letters. So for me, my name is Mr. King. So in my letter, I have Mr. King. After that, we have area of letter. That means I'm going to look at M. See, M right here. We're going to look at M, and I'm going to find the area. How do we find the area, class? Yes, Jackie. How do we find the area?
The total number of squares inside the shape.
Yes, that's how we find the area. So I'm going to look at my letter M, and I'm going to look at the squares inside my letter. I have 19 squares. So I have the area of 19 for M. So we're going to do that for every letter. And we're going to put each number. Okay? And then our third step. We are going to we're going to be adding all the total. So I have 19. I have 8. And I have 1. So I'm going to be adding 19, 8, and 1. And that gets me 28. Okay? We have all these other letters. 16, 5, 11, and 24 for my whole name. And it gives me 83 square units. So I'm going to demonstrate, guys. We're going to write a letter M. I'm going to show you guys. Because M is confusing. And a lot of us have diagonals in our name. But we're going to figure it out, okay? So for my letter M, we're going to draw a letter M. So here's my letter M, okay? So let's count, guys. Let's count. How many boxes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So, what is my area for M? 15 square unit. So that, yes, Jackie.
So everyone's letter is going to have a different number.
Everyone's letter is going to have different numbers. So we're going to have 15 minutes to do this. Everyone take your time, hang out, work with your friend. And if you guys are done, you can start using your colored pencils, okay?
Look.
Oh, that looked good. Good. Now let's keep working on it. Okay, thank you, guys. The 15 minutes is up. Class.
Yes, yes.
Everyone put away your stuff. Eyes should be on me right now. Class.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. All the eyes should be on me right now.
Almost finished.
So, everyone turn in your paper. Everyone turn in your sheet. I should collect your sheet and your chart. So everyone should have their sheet and their chart. I'm coming around to collect them right now. Thank you. Give me everything, guys. You guys are doing great. So, we have a fun game.
Yes.
We're going to play Kahoot.
Yes.
We're going to play Kahoot, and we're going to do it on what we learned today. So everyone, I need you guys to sign in right now. Let's all sign in.
What do I do?
You will enter the number here, 3993532. After you enter that, you put in your name, and you should enter. Okay, we have everyone here entered. Now let's start.
Yes! Love this game.
Okay, first question. What is the area of this shape? What is the area of the shape?
Oh!
Remember, think about area and what we do. We have to count. Remember, guys.
Can you show us? Can you count it with us?
Yeah, sure. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'm not going to help you. You guys got to do this on your own. There's only one.
Yes.
Good job. Next question. Good job, Nicole. What is the area of this shape? Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but it's green. Let's count. I can't help you guys on this. You can do this. 10. Good.
Yes.
What is the area of this shape? You guys are doing really good. Good job. So we're learning what is the area. We gotta do something to find the area. Oh, it's okay. The answer is 10. Remember, we have to count what's inside the space. So what is the area of this red part? We have to figure it out. Good job. Okay. Let's think about it. Good. No. It's okay. It's okay. We have 4 more. What is the area of the blue section? Only the blue part.
That's funny. They made it blue.
Yeah, they made it blue. What is the area of the green part? You guys can do it. Good. Okay. Now there's no color. Oh, good job, guys.
Yes! I'm on fire!
Yeah. What is the area? What's the area of the shape? Great job, Nicole. First place. Okay, last question.
Bonus!
Bonus. We didn't learn about these half marks, but let's try to figure it out. We have 2 halves. So if this is 1 square and we cut it in half, is it still 1 square?
No.
No, it is. Even though we cut it in half. 2 halves equals 1. So let's count.
6.
Good. You did. You got the bonus. And the winner is...
Yes!
Good job, Nicole.
Yes!
Good job, Nicole. You get a prize. You get to hang out with the teacher during recess and have lunch with me.
Yes!
So, guys, that's great. We learned a lot of great things today. And that will conclude our lesson. But in closing, I will choose a few students next week, and you guys will present the name you guys made and the area and the color on it. You guys will present it to the class next week, so be prepared. I will pick a few random students. Today we discussed how to find the area by counting units on a grid of a polygon. Remember, area means the space inside what? What does area mean? You gotta remember, I didn't fill it in on purpose. What is area? Let me hear you, class.
The space inside the shape.
Good. And don't forget to label with word. What do we label after we find the total number?
Square unit.
Yes, square unit. Good job. You guys did a fantastic job today. Math scholars.
Yes.
I will see you guys after lunch.
I love math.